First line. Banana is a sweet and soft fruit. Second line. It is yellow in color when ripe. Third line. Bananas grow in bunches on banana trees. Fourth line. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. Fifth line. Many people like to eat bananas every day. Sixth line. It gives us energy and keeps us healthy. Seventh line. Banana is easy to peel and eat. Eighth line. It is used in shakes, cakes, and desserts. Ninth line. Monkeys also love to eat bananas. 10th line. Banana is one of the most popular fruits in the world.